I, on behalf of Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies, extend a very warm welcome to you. Today, you, as an aspirant of MBA in our country, need an institute which will act as a launchpad to your career. It's not only about what you do during your MBA, but how you are valued in 20 years from today that should determine which institute to opt for. As an institute of eminence, our focus just doesn't lie on giving the industry a competitive and honed individual, but we believe in imparting such skill sets which are in demand and will ensure that our students become pioneers in their fields and join our esteemed alumni lineage. Being an institute that caters 90% to defense personnel and their dependents, SIMS has over the years got traction amongst both the civilian and defense category candidates. Running under one of its kind private-public partnership under the Ministry of Defense, we take pride in being able to offer an unbeatable ROI because of the offers that our students are able to secure from companies. We are proud of hosting various students who serve at top positions in various global firms such as Goldman Sachs, Amazon, Samsung, and many others, leading with exceedingly good positions in their entrepreneurial pursuits and careers. SIMS is committed to fostering a culture of resilience within its ecosystem. We empower and transform our students into world leaders who reinvent the wheel and believe in sustainable growth. The values that we instill in our students is what sets them apart amongst their peers and places a bar worth reaching in managerial skills. Our curriculum remains multifaceted and power-packed with industry expert sessions. With our one-of-a-kind e-orientation module and several skill-building courses, we equip our student managers to grow into driven and passionate young professionals who deliver utmost quality in not only the national level B-School competitions, but also in their summer internship programs and live projects. Your journey at SIMS will come well equipped with multiple student-led cells and teams, unlimited access to pertinent platforms such as Bloomberg, Coursera, edX, HBR, etc., with a campus which houses top infrastructure, state-of-the-art facilities such as sports complex, swimming pool, health center, and recreational center. At SIMS, we work persistently to realize our motto of make a difference by striving for excellence in education and all our activities. I welcome you to be a part of our fraternity. Your transformational journey awaits you. Thank you and best wishes.